beautiful things are here with us all of the time, like the leaves in the breeze, or maybe the clouds in the sky. The smell of the flowers blooming, to think we're only human is enough to put all our problems aside. Beautiful things, it's easy to let them go by, like waves in the sea, we never expect them to die. To think we almost missed it. The most beautiful thing to me is you and I.
Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Just like a star, I stay up for long, while everything is changed. Just cannot help but stay. Just like a star, don't even see myself get old. It's hard to be explained. I wanna break away. I keep on praying. Oh, if my tears fall down in my universe, turns into a new world. Time to find my way back home. Just like a star, all the memories got stuck. I'm tired of the past. I want to break away. Oh, if my tears fall down in my universe, turns into a new world. Time to find my way back home. Thousand years long, I don't feel like
Tayo!